If your name or case details appear on Trellis.law, you might be wondering, can I get this taken down? The short answer is yes, but only in certain cases. In this video, we'll walk you through how Trellis handles removal requests, how to get your information redacted or erased, and what to do if it still shows up in Google search. Let's get started. Trellis allows removal under two main conditions. If your case is sealed, they will remove or redact your record with a valid court order. If your case is not sealed, they may still redact your name as a courtesy, but the case will stay live unless sealed by the court. And good news, Trellis doesn't charge for removal or redaction requests. You can read their full policy at the link in the description. Here's how to remove or redact your record from Trellis. Step 1. Find the record. Go to Trellis.law, search your name, and locate the record you want to remove. Copy the URL of the case. Step 2. Submit a redaction request. Scroll to the bottom right of the case page, click Request Redaction. This will open a removal form. You'll need to enter your name and email, confirm that the record is about you, briefly explain why you want it removed, and attach a court order if the case is sealed. You have to submit a separate request for each URL. Step 3. Wait for confirmation. Trellis will review your request in the order it was received. If approved, your name will be redacted or the entire record removed, depending on the case status. If Trellis denies your request or keeps the case online, here are 3 backup options. 1. Suppress the result. You can push the Trellis link down in search by creating positive, relevant content. Try things like building a personal website, publish articles tied to your name, and keep your LinkedIn and online profiles active. 2. Petition the court. If your case includes sensitive information, speak with an attorney about getting it sealed. Once sealed, Trellis must honor your removal request. 3. Get professional help. Reputation experts can manage this process for you. At Guaranteed Removals, we helped remove over 1,300 court records for clients in 2024 alone. We can help you take back control of your search results and protect your name. Removing your information from Trellis is completely free, but if you need help, click the link in the description, and we can help get your information removed from Trellis today.